Hello guys, Brian here, and today I have another Jurassic World toy unboxing. Well, specifically a Jurassic World Rebirth toy unboxing. This time, I have the aerial ambush Quetzalcoatlus. Here's the packaging itself. It's actually different from the other ones. It's like a little, sort of mountains. There's the Quetzalcoatlus. The Jurassic World Rebirth logo. Also some skies. There's the back. Over here, look. There's the back. And then Jurassic World Rebirth logos. Let's go into the unboxing. Over here. Let's see if we got the Quetzal box up to the waist. I also do not want to cut near the wings because, oops, I accidentally scratched, I don't know if you can see it, but I accidentally scratched the wings, the part of the legs. Whoopsie. Maybe not do that, so when you're trying to get the dinosaur out of the package, do not scratch like I did. I accidentally scratched the dinosaur, but it's a small one, so I'm okay with it. Alright, so the Quetzalcoatlus. This is a completely new design of the older ones. This is a tail. It's like this sort of small tail. The legs as well as are kind of different. And also the head. Look at the beak. It's like a little thing over here. So like the sort of part of the beak. And its eye. It's also some stripes. And the wings are actually made out of some sort of fabric. The wing is made out of some sort of fabric. It's like made out of some sort of fabric. It's actually for an action feature. Because, compared to my Jurassic World Dominion Quetzalcoatlus. Let me set it down while I set the other Quetzal over here. And as you can see, this one is larger, like has a more wingspan, and is actually kind of longer. Because I think it's 24 inches for the wingspan and 12 inches on the height. That's its size. And unlike this Quetzalcoatlus, watch how this one works. If you push the wings down, you can make it stand like an actual pterosaur. Look at that. You can now stand it like this. For this Quetzalcoatlus, just rotate its hands. There. You can make it like that. And if you want to make it flying again, all you gotta do is press this button and look at that. It spreads its wings and it's ready to fly. But let's get to your articulation first before we get into some of the action features. First, specifically the second one, because I already showed you the first one. So its legs can move like that, and also its feet can also like rotate. Oh gosh, this one's kind of stuck. Let me push with force. I don't want to break this thing because I just got it. I just bought this thing. There we go. Ouch. Its little nails kind of pokey. Kind of hurts. Oh, I don't want to rip this thing. I like being careful with the little soft fabric thing for this Quetzal, because not as sturdy as the plastic. Come on, there we go. That one's pretty tight, but it's there. Oh, also the scan code is actually on its leg. You can see the scan code is on its leg right there. Also, these little hands here, they also move. So you can up and down and can just rotate all around. Also, its neck can go up and down, I'm pretty sure. You can, oh, it doesn't seem like it can go up. Seems like the neck is stuck in place. So the neck is stuck in place. The head can move up and down. Somewhat of a side-to-side rotation. So you can even like move the neck up, stuck in there. So the next little button here, little actually feature is if you press this button, it'll make noise and its mouth will open. And also do this if it's also landed. So if you put it on land. Oh gosh, I accidentally triggered this feature. Let's try that again. Just put that in. Position the legs. Oh yeah, position the claws, the hands. See if I can position it correctly. There it is. And just press the button. Make it. And still press the button if it's grounded. Interesting sounds. You also do this, and then lift its tail, lift it up, and then press the button over here. Its wings will fly out, and then we have liftoff. This is probably the best Quetzalcoatlus figure because not only has a really sick design, it's a really cool looking design. It looks accurate, has these little I guess little cloth feathering wings, and also has more posability. I mean, maybe a lot of posability, but it can also land. Let's just get its wings, also its arms. So there you go. You can make it land. Oh gosh, sorry. Anyways, this is probably one of the best dinosaur figures. Probably one of the best Jurassic World dinosaur figures out of like the main toy line. This might be one of the best ones because it has its unique features. It doesn't need like a lot of posability. It has a lot of really good looking features. It doesn't need to be like extremely posable, have really cool action features. It just needs to be looking like, well, kind of like accurate. And not only that, and also specifically for a pterosaur, you can actually do a few poses like what would the real life version do. Just like the scientific accuracies. I mean, I don't really care about if it's in the movie. I don't really care about like scientific accuracy, although I sometimes do care about it. But what am I saying is that this Quetzalcoatlus is probably the best out of all the Jurassic World Rebirth toy line because it looks scientifically accurate, and it has. And it's like I don't know how to describe it, but it's one of the best Jurassic World Rebirth just because it has very unique features. Like, look at that. Make it stand. So, anyways, see you in the next video. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you later for the next video.